Hi guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. I'm jerking some pork and some chicken for New Year's Day. Usually I would have seasoned this from a day or two, but wasn't planning on doing anything this big for New Year's Day, but we'll still work with it. I took out the meat last night, have them thawed out for this morning. Now seasoning, and it's good. I'm gonna let it marinate for about an hour before I start jerking it, but we'll enjoy it because I'm gonna season this bad boy properly. Happy New Year's, guys. Bless, one love, keep safe, have a blessed New Year's. You know, I'm blessed, you're blessed, we're all blessed. Little goes a long way. Smells so good. Start with my pepper. Jerk season. Smoked paprika. Ginger garlic. Adding some more jerk at the top. Just that's it for you. It's my chicken. Here. cider vinegar, just a wee bit. Just a little bit in my pork. I'm putting in my chicken. Will be going at the top, while my pork goes at the bottom. The pork will stay longer than the chicken, so I'll be timing this for 1 hour. Set my timer for 1 hour, and we'll be back. That's it for my pork and my chicken going in the oven. This is my chicken after 1 hour. So I'll leave it in, let it get some more color. And guys, I forgot to add some all-purpose, so I'll add some all-purpose seasoning. And now I'm putting back my chicken in the oven. And there's my pork, still working on. Not quite finished as yet. Just want to give it a turn so I color the inside. I love when the inside, yep. Want to give it in here, let it brown a bit. And I'm gonna put the all season here. Inside to get some color. It's not a tutorial. This is just me roasting some chicken and pork for New Year's. I'm going to start doing some live videos where wow, that's my shrimp salad. Chicken hasn't finished is yet, going back in the oven. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Is the bad boy out the oven? My chicken. Let me turn it around. Could I take a little more color? No? What do you think, Malik? Well, my son said he likes it like this. Doesn't want it to be too dry. So